Get second phone number with OnPhone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then search for OnPhone application. This is the app you would be looking for. So using this app, you will be able to get a second phone number. All you have to do is install this free application from your Play Store or your App Store. Simply sign in and then get a plan. After you have signed in, you will be able to see an option called Get New Number. You just have to tap on it and select your plans or the features you need for the phone numbers, and you will be done. You will easily and instantly get the phone number. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.